everyone, welcome to Biosystem. I'm Salvitiana Prativi. Well, in this video, I will explain the type of immunization. In this previous video, we know that every human body can avoid various types of pathogen because of the body defense system mechanism. However, it is unable that the body's defense system can be disrupted by many diseases as shown below. Well, now the researchers are developing vaccine, so the body acquires immunity against disease. Besides on how to get it, what type of immunity does the body get? To find out the answer, let's study together through this video. Based on how to obtain immunity, the immunity is classified into two. There are active immunity and passive immunity. First, active immunity. Active immunity is immunity produced by the body itself. The immunity can be obtained natural and artificially. Active natural immunity is obtained when someone has experienced an infection with a pathogen. Until the immunity will produce antibodies to keep our bodies from being attacked again with the same pathogen. Like measles, people who have had measles will have antibodies to fight the measles virus that enters the body a second time. And then artificially active immunity is obtained through immunization, such as giving vaccine. Vaccine will stimulate the formation of antibody to fight antigen. For example, vaccine MR. Vaccine MR can help German measles or rubella to stimulate their body. Yes, okay, German measles. German measles or rubella is a disease caused by a single-stranded RNA virus belonging to the genus Rubivirus. This disease will cause symptoms of a rash of red spot, swelling of the ear and neck lymph gland, nasal congestion and headache and no appetite. And then, this disease can be transmitted through direct contact through the saliva or mucus of an infected person. Besides that, the rubella can be transmitted through the air released through sneezing or coughing. So, with giving MR immunization to have antibody against the pathogen that cause rubella. And then, the MR vaccine given to the children and pregnant women usually. In the children, it can prevent the transmission of rubella from an early age. If the pregnant woman, such as the mother who is suffering from rubella, the MR vaccine can prevent the miscarriage and the risk of birth. Okay, next, second immunity is passive immunity. Passive immunity is immunity that obtained after the body receives antibodies from the outside. This immunity can be obtained naturally and artificially. Natural passive immunity occurs when the babies accept antibodies to the placenta while in the womb. Natural passive immunity occurs when the babies accept antibodies to the placenta while in the womb. In addition, when the mom was given the first milk or colostrum, also include natural passive immunity. Then, passive immunity artificially, by injection antibody extract from one individual to another as serum. For example, giving antivenom serum to someone who is bitten by the venomous snake. Okay, venomous snakes are very dangerous because snakes have a salivary glands that are modified with neurotoxin that cause paralysis of the central nervous system, heart and respiration system in a person exposed to a venomous snake bite. Then, venomous snake can be found in reservoir, lakes, river, and community settlement. Well, to treat a snake bite can use antiserum venom. Antivenom serum is a drug obtained from the antibodies of certain animals that have been expanded to snake venom. The antibodies are taken from the plasma of the animal. The serum works by increasing the immune system due to snake bite to neutralizing toxin in the body to poisonous snake bite. The availability of antivenom serum is minimal because the nature of the serum is specific to fight certain viruses from snake venom, so that the increase that threat from poisonous snake is still very high. Okay, here are the various types of immunity obtained from the body. However, is not uncommon from the body to express disturb in the immune system, including allergy, or can be called hypersensitivity. This disease is an excessive immune response to compound that enter the body. A compound that cause allergen are called allergen. Allergen can include dust, pollen, insect bite, cat hair, and certain type of food such as soup. Okay, next, autoimmunity. Autoimmunity is disorder of the immune system when antibodies are produced to attack the body cell because they are unable to distinguish the body cell from cell order. Autoimmune disorder can lead to several diseases. There are diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is antibodies that attack beta cell that produce the hormone insulin. Next, myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis is antibodies that attack strand muscles. Next, Addison disease. Addison disease is antibodies that attack the adrenal gland. And next, lupus. Lupus is an antibody that attack tissue. And the last is arthritis. Okay, that's all about explanation for this material. Before the video ends, I will explain the conclusion. The conclusion is that based on how to get it to body immunity is classes two. First, active immunity and passive immunity. Active immunity is produced by the body itself. And then passive immunity is immunity that obtained after the body receives antibodies from outside. Furthermore, the body defense system can experience disease disorders such as allergy and autoimmune. Okay, that's all about my explanation. Hopefully useful. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.